Hello everyone, welcome back to VideoProc Vloggers channel. In today's video, we will show you how to create this vlog style opening. If you're interested in this one, keep watching the video. Creating this effect with music is crucial. We need to choose music with a strong sense of rhythm. We open VideoProc Vlogger and import prepared music into the timeline. Then click here to enter the audio editor. Click the analyzer. Select audio beat in the pop-up window and click Analyze. The system will automatically mark these rhythm points, or you can manually mark them using shortcut key M. After marking, we click Apply to return to the main interface. Next, we select some suitable footage. Here I'm choosing clips from a pasture, preferably including multiple main subjects, and ideally featuring different sections like ground, forest, and sky. Once prepared, let's import a video into VideoProc Vlogger and drag it into the audio track. Move the playhead to find a good frame. Use Split to cut a video from here, and click the button to capture the frame. When the system opens a folder, let's go to this website. This is an online background remover. You can use this site to create the content we want. Import a screenshot into the site, and the system will automatically help us retain the main content, such as keeping the cows. Then, according to a number of music rhythm, we create corresponding numbers of image. For example, if my music has 4 beats, I need to create 3 images. Click Erase and Restore here. Then use Restore to retain more content. For example, only cows are retained in the first image, cows plus the ground in the second image. And the forest in the third image. After getting this image, let's return to VideoProc Vlogger again. Import these images back into the media library and place them based on the rhythm of the music, ensuring each image fits the screen. Place the second half of the video after the last beat to create a conclusion. Using the same method, handle the image in other segments. Then, add some text in the last segment. Create 3 subtitle tracks. Click here to create a text material. Enter the first letter in the text box. Change to a cartoon font. Delete text shadow. Adjust the size and position of the text in the preview window, and rotate the text slightly if desired. In the animation section, we find Move Out, select the Fade Out, and adjust the time to 0.5 seconds. Next, copy the subtitle material to the legislature track. Change to a legislator in the text box. Adjust the size and position in the preview window. And repeat this process for each letter. Finally, adjust the appearance and end times of each letter according to your music rhythm. Now, the fresh vlog style opening is complete. Well, that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. And if you want to know more about other tricks or what has been going on with VideoProc Vlogger, be sure to click that subscribe button to the subscribe channel if you haven't yet. And we'll see you soon in the next video. Hope you enjoy. Bye!